welcome back. So we were here talking about, I said this is called a boilerplate. Now, if we look at it, it has several instructions, and we've talked about this HTML doc type, meaning telling the browser that it is an HTML document, and then we have the the HTML opening tag, and then the closing tag. It is called closing because of the slash. So everywhere you see slash, they are closing off the other one. All right. So in the head, we have this meta, and so this name viewport is the instruction that tells the browser to allow mobile phones to be able to view our website. So if this is not in this header part in your website, it means that those that use mobile devices cannot access or cannot view your website correctly. Whatever your website would look awkward if these descriptions are not here. So please ensure to do that, to ensure these are here, because it's going to help you when you start responsive design. Responsive design is design that is tailored to mobile devices. Now, this next tag is the title tag. The title tag gives title to your website. So just go ahead and put something there. Just say website tutorials. Tutorials. Now, this title gives you the website. If we come and look at this, if you look at this, for example, you see this new tab. This new tab is written with that title tag. Okay, so put this there, it will give it a title. Now, the body tag. The body tag is the most important part as far as I'm concerned, because everything you see on a website was written in this body section here. So you go to www.facebook.com and then you log in. That page you are seeing was all written in the body tag. So everything you put here is displayed on your browser. Okay, so now the first tag I want to talk about is the heading tag. It's used to make heading. It's written like this, H1, like this. This, like I said again, this is the opening tag, while this is the closing tag. That's how HTML works. Now, in HTML, there are 6 types of header tag. So let's duplicate it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can, if you're using Windows, it's Control Shift D. I don't know for Mac. So try to figure out Mac for Mac users. So I'm going to use header H1, this H2. I told you there were 3, there were 6. H2, this H3, H3 is H4, H4, this is H5, H5, and then finally H6, H6. So these are going to, like I said, it's a heading, it's a header tag. It helps to make headings. Look at your textbook. The biggest text is usually the heading, right? So if you want to make heading on your website, use the heading tag. So I'll put heading here, heading. So I'll just copy these and paste on the others, and so we see how they all look. So I said it goes from H1 all the way down to H6. So if I save, Control S, and then go to our site website, this is the one. Let me close these other ones out. So if I refresh, this is exactly what it is. This is H1, H. So you can see that it goes all the way to H6, and H6 is the smallest. So the header tag is used for making headings in our website. The next one I want to look at is the paragraph tag. So I'm going to delete the rest, leave that one. Now the paragraph tag is written like this. It's a P tag. It helps you to write a bunch of text. If you want to write something about, write the description of a particular image or whatever you're putting on your website, you use the paragraph tag. So you say this is a paragraph tag. So if I save and go and look at it and refresh, you see it has given me a paragraph, right? So this is the header tag, and this is a paragraph tag used to write a bunch of text. All right, so the next one I want to look at is the link. A link tag. Now in HTML there are 2 types of link. There is one that is like this. This, no, not this, sorry, not this one. it is link like this. Now this one is used to link our CSS file. We're going to be talking about that later on, because you see HTML defines the structure of your website, while CSS is used for the way it should look, the design. All right, so this um, this particular one is used to link your CSS file to affect your HTML files. We're going to look at that on a much later video, but the one I want to show you is called the anchor tag. It's like this, the A tag. So this is the anchor tag. This is the href now, and then this is the closing. Whatever you put in between these brackets becomes a link. Now, you know, in a website, you have the home page, the contact page, the profile. All those are separate pages. However, they are on the home page. When you click on them, they take you to the page. That is what this does. All right. So in our next video, we're going to be looking at uh, how this works and the functions. Thank you.